If you're a landlord or tenant in Horsham, this local rental market update shares valuable insights and postcode level data to help you stay ahead of the market. It's being brought to you by Brock Taylor in the heart of Horsham. As Property Mark accredited professionals, Brock Taylor follows strict industry standards to offer trusted advice and protect your interests. Peter.
Thanks, Phil. With a reputation for outstanding service and a dedicated lettings team based right in the town centre, you can count on our professional, regulated guidance, whether you're letting out a property or looking for your next home.
Horsham continues to be an increasingly attractive place to rent, especially for professionals, couples and downsizers. As we've said before, our town offers that ideal balance between countryside and convenience. It's well connected and has great local amenities.
The figures really highlight just how popular Horsham has become. Over the last 12 months, the average rent achieved here was £1,412 per month, which represents a 4.3% increase on the previous year. Although it is worth noting that the average asking price is down 9.2%, with current properties on the market for an average of £1,738 a month. Looking at the property types more closely, we can see how the area compares with the wider South East region. Flats are leading the way for types of rental, making up around 60% of all rented homes over the last 12 months. With an average rent of £1,224 a month, nearly 10% higher than the South East average, highlighting just how strong demand is in our part of the region. It's a similar story with terraced and semi-detached homes. Terraced houses here let for an average of £1,600 a month, compared to £1,400 regionally, while semi-detached homes fetch around £1,750, compared to £1,630 in the wider South East. Detached homes are the one exception, coming in at around £2,000 a month locally, which is slightly below the regional average of £2,120.
Interestingly, 23% of renters here are aged between 25 and 29, which is a real sign that young professionals are finding Horsham a great place to live. And what about supply versus demand? Currently, there's 166 rental properties available in the area. That's over 60% more than this time last year. While homes are renting a little slower than before, they still don't hang around long. Properties rented in the last month were on the market for an average of 12 days, which is 42% longer than a year ago, but still not long.
When we look at what's driving demand, it's clear Horsham's housing stock has a lot to offer. There's a strong mix of modern apartment blocks and stylish refurbished conversions. Many of these homes have been upgraded with energy-efficient features and smart interiors, which appeal to today's renter. Developments like Horsham Gates and Holmes Park are especially sought after, with modern layouts, lift access and close proximity to the train station, perfect for commuters. 1- and 2-bedroom flats here often include parking or balconies, and as you might imagine, they don't stay available for long.
Nationally, we're seeing rental growth start to moderate. Rent prices are putting a strain on people's earnings, which may be why we are seeing that pace slow slightly, as tenants reach their affordability limits. And it's a similar story here. Rent rises have eased compared to the peaks of recent years, mirroring this national picture. Across the UK as a whole, the annual growth rate is now 5.9%, down from 8.7% a year earlier. Looking ahead, respected forecasters such as the Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors expect rental growth to average around 3.2% annually over the next 5 years. So while demand here remains strong, landlords and tenants could expect a steadier pace in the future.
Of course, Horsham is more than just a housing market. It's a thriving community with so much going on this autumn. On the 25th of October, Horsham Sports Club will host its annual fireworks night, complete with a fun fair, food stalls, local craft beers, and of course a spectacular display. And the town centre Halloween Trail returns at the end of October with a digital adventure called the Pesky Pumpkin Escape. Families can follow the trail around the town and be sure to pop into our office for a trick or treat.
November brings more festive fun. On the 21st of November, Horsham Town Market kicks off its Christmas launch party with late night shopping until 9 p.m. We'll be open too, hosting a free Christmas balloon popping game for children, with a prize for the fastest competitor, so be sure to pop in. And speaking of Christmas, on December the 21st, St Andrew's Church will host its Messy Christmas event, a family favourite full of stories, songs, crafts and food. It's lively, festive, and as the name suggests, definitely messy.
For those who prefer something outdoorsy, on the 19th of October, Leonardsley Lakes and Gardens will host its Heritage Trail Autumn Run, with a 5k and 10k routes throughout stunning woodland. Whether you're a keen runner just starting out or bringing the dog along, it's a family-friendly event that showcases why Horsham's lifestyle is so appealing.
All of this is what makes RH13 such a fantastic place to live, whether you're renting, letting, or just enjoying everything the town has to offer. That's all from us for now. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions on renting in Horsham, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us.
To speak with the Brock Taylor Lettings team, visit them at 2 to 6 East Street, Horsham, or call them on 01403 272 022 or email horshamlettings@brocktaylor.co.uk.